Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Kumar and my discussion topic is operator. Topic is operator. Why we use operator, what is operator, what are the types of operator. Basically operator is a symbol that performs some mathematical or logical operation in C and other language. So then what are the types of operator? There are the various types of operator. First one is the arithmetic operator. Second one, relational operator. Third one is conditional operator. Fourth one, bitwise operator. Fourth, fifth, logical operator. Sixth, increment decrement operator. Seventh, assignment operator. Eighth, a special operator. We discuss about 8 categories of operator and discuss first category यानी arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is used to perform some arithmetical calculation. We discuss this topic through the table. First one is the serial number, second operator, then third one is the meaning of operator. Arithmetic operator is used to perform arithmetical calculation that like plus, minus, multiplication, divide, modulus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Basically addition यानी it perform addition between two number like a plus b and 2 plus 3 equal to 4. Then the main difference between divide and modulus operator. If 3, 10 and 1 is the remainder. If we perform divide 10 divided by 3, the quotient value 3. 10 modulus 3 is the remainder and that is 1. This is the one category of the operator and the second category is the relational operator. Basically relational operator second category is the relation operator. Relational operator used to show relation between two operands. That is, the relational operator is less, greater, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and equal to. We use equal to, double equal, and not equal to. It produces two results. If the operator calculation is right, then it produces 1, otherwise 0. In the case of false, it produces 0. In the case of true, it produces 1. A less B, A greater B, A less than equal to B, A greater than equal to B, A equal to B, A not equal to B. C equal to, 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 C equal to. A equal to 10, B equal to 12. If the 10 is less than equal to 12, the condition is false, then gives the result 0. Yani that means 0 assigned to C. In the case of second, the condition is true, then 1 in the C, value of C is 1. In the case of third, the value of C is 0. In the case of fourth, the value of C is 1. In the case of fifth, value of C is 0. In the case of last, the value of C is 0. The third category of operator is conditional operator. The third category of operator is conditional operator, is also called the ternary operator. The syntax of conditional operator is, first one, the condition. If the condition is true, then the part of true is executed, otherwise false part is executed. For example, if the condition is true, A less than B, if the condition is true, then the A is execution, yani कि then the parts of A is assigned to C. Otherwise condition is false, then the B is assigned to C. So the third category of operator is bitwise operator. We draw the table, serial number, operator, meaning. Bitwise operator in the AND symbol, this is bitwise AND. Second word in bitwise OR. Third operator is exclusive OR, that is called XOR. Fourth one is used left shifting. This is right shift. Sixth one is complement. Bitwise operator, the following operator is the bitwise operator. First one is the bitwise AND, second one is the bitwise OR, XOR, left shift, then right shift, and finally the complement. Complement may be two things, one's complement or two's complement. And the sixth category of operator and fifth category of operator is the logical operator. It is same as like logical operator. There are three operators in logical category. First one is the logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Logical operator in logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. In logical operator, zero value is considered to zero. Otherwise, value positive or negative may be considered 1. 26 and 27 cannot bracket 25. 0 means false, 1 means true. If the 26 minus, that is true or true, then 27 true, not true or true and true का true negative false, true false false, false or true equal to true. Sixth category is the increment or decrement operator. Basically this operator is used on single operand. The category of operator increment and decrement operator is also called unary operator. Increment decrement operator. It is denoted by plus plus, it is denoted by minus minus. That means if the value of a equal to 1, then plus plus means equal to yani 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 by 1 increment. In the case of decrement, value of 5, decrement 4, 3, 2, 1. This operator is applicable only single operand like a plus 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 a minus 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 a. If the value of a equal to 1, that is called post increment. Plus plus the after of a, before a, that is pre increment. Plus plus a means a plus plus first value is 1, plus plus a first increment value is 2, minus minus a first value is common 1, minus minus a first decrement yani value is 0. The seventh category of operator is known as assignment operator. This is the main category in the seventh category of operator is called assignment operator. Basically this operator is used assignment. A equal to B. Right side of the value or expression is assigned to the left hand side. That means B value is assigned to A. If B equal to 6, the 6 value is assigned to B, and A equal to B, the 6 is assigned to A. That operator category is known as assignment operator. Last category of operator is a special type of operator. We use size of operator. Size of operator is the special type of operator. Basically this operator is used on data type. We use three type of data in any other programming language: integer, float, character. It returns the memory size of values. If the integer, then return 2 byte. In the case of float, it returns 4 byte. In the case of character, it returns 1 byte. Only value data type. The size of operator value is 25. 25 the value of integer data type. It returns only 2 byte of memory. Thanking you.